Matthew Sanders from Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, reporting live from Times Square. Letting you guys know we're thinking about y'all. Any automotive concerns, repairs that you may need, feel free to give us a call at 919-539-7265 or stop by the shop at 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina. Y'all have a nice day.
Hey, welcome back to Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. I'm the host, Matthew Sanders. We have a 2012 Kia Optima, and we're dealing with some HVAC air conditioning issues. We had a code B2409, and that was involving the actuators behind the dashboard that controls the air coming through the vents. We started off with a code scan, and we confirmed that the suspected fault and the customer concerns were in alignment with one another. Once we determined that was the case, we continued on with our diagnostics, and we did find a binding, sticking actuator. And we took it apart, and we did discover that it was broken. And you will need to remove the crash panel and a few other items. The computer, the BCM, you will have to remove underneath the dashboard as well when removing the directional motor. Try to get you a good view of what we did so it can help you out if you're dealing with this issue here. We're in the process of installing it, putting it back together, and I just wanted to make a quick video so I can show y'all if it'll be helpful to you. Alright. Let's see here. I have here center screen is the black actuator with the blue plug-in up top there, if you can see, and the green cam. The green device is connected to the actuator, and the actuator is connected to the air doors. When the actuator moves, it controls the cam controls the actuator doors, and you get different modes of air coming through your dashboard. When those actuators bind up, sometimes you don't get correct air movement coming through the door.
Hey, you guys do the state inspections here?
Yes, we do state inspections here. In the middle of shooting a YouTube video. You gonna subscribe? You gonna subscribe to the YouTube video? Encore Automotive.
All right, as long as you pass the state inspection.
He said he's gonna say, as long as you pass me, I'll subscribe.
Okay, yes, sir.
We're gonna see what we can do for you. I'll meet you right up front.
Okay.
Yes, sir. All right. So you have it here. We're in the middle of doing a HVAC repair, and we're doing state inspection. So check us out. Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Signing out.